Oh man. I know drugs.
Wow.
Drugs are good for you guys. You must do drugs every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I think we all are.
We all are.
No, I can't really feel it.
No, you can't really. That's why your cheeks are
I know, I could just feel my cheeks. It's like, I can't really feel it, but it's like I can't stop
my
smiling.
eyes, so.
Oh, that's awesome, me. We have to do that at home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's the kind?
Hey, your new stove.
Hot knives.
Hot knives.
Oh, Mia, I think that should be the end of the movie.